Hello, welcome to our A3 Pro tutorial. After we get our machine, the first things is to open the top cap and remove the blue tape that stick to print head. Here we remove the tape where the print head cannot move. Then we go back and check the voltage whether accord with our locality. Then we plug in and turn on switch for the later machine checking. There is a network cable and teaching USB drive, but will not be used now. Now we come to front to introduce the buttons. The first key is air, press once to clean the inner air, and press again to stop. The second key is cylinder, added in April 2024. Press once to use cylinder printing function, and press again to stop. And stir is to circulate white ink. Need you keep pressing it to let it work. And the same with upward, need to keep pressing it to let platform up. Please notice that there's an infrared sensor function to automatically control the platform height, so keep your hands away from this areas to avoid wrong platform height. Then the downward is to keep platform down. Now we check that backward, it will bring platform out. The forward will let platform go inside. Now we keep pressing the right to let platform go right. And keep pressing left to let it go left. And here is ink conduit. This is flat cable and the joining of conduit is ink sac. The bottom right is waste ink pad. Right side to collect white ink and varnish. Left side to collect colorful ink. Now close the top cap and come to the back. We need to turn off the switch before opening the rear top cap. And you will see a water bucket and mark showing injecting water before using, and warning to turn off switch before opening cap. Now we prepare the funnel and water. Then we start to unscrew it. Then we insert the funnel and start to inject water. You can check it inside windows. And pay attention that 2/3 capacity is enough, don't let the water overflow. Now we take out the funnel and mount the screw. And in below there's a switch knob. Its function is to control the UV lamp intensity, and 30% is enough. So the teaching section 1 is over. Thanks for watching. In this time I will teach you how to install print software. Now we turn on switch. Here is USB drive providing the software file, and we cut off cable ties. Now plug it in. This is cable interface. But for this laptop we need a gigabit LAN converter. Then we plug it in, and connect them to laptop. Now it's operation on laptop. We open the disk C, and create a folder and name it A3 Pro. We lasso all the USB drive files, and click copy, then come to the A3 Pro folder we have created in last step, and click paste. Now we extract the print software, and choose to save on locality place. Then we open it and scroll down, find the procedure and right-click. Select Show More Options and Send To and select Desktop. Now we open System search box, and search and open Control Panel. Then click View Network Status and Task, choose and double-click Ethernet. Then double-click Properties. Then check on and double-click IPv4 in the fourth option. Now we fill in the below IP address. Then keep clicking OK to close these window. Now we double-click Print Software to open. But we found it report an error. In this case we need to find and load a routine procedure to let it work. We extract it and save it to locality place. Then we double-click it to load. And click the option as the video show. Now we double-click the print software again. It succeed to load. We keep clicking ahead and the platform come out. Keep clicking back, and the platform is going inside. Now open the cap to check print head moving. We keep clicking left, and the print head keep moving left. We keep clicking right, and the print head keep going right. Then we click X reset, and we found the print head reset to rightmost. Now we let platform get back, and found all keys work well. So this teaching section is over and thanks for watching. Hello. In this tutorial I will teach you how to inject the ink. Here the first step is to unscrew and take away the side window. Remember to support it by your hands to prevent it falling out. Then we take down the pane. Now I will tell you the matters about ink injection. The blue label show it needs blue ink, and the corresponding ink pot lid marked CY. The black label means it needs black ink, and the corresponding lip of ink pot marked BK. The yellow label means it needs yellow ink, and the corresponding lip mark YL. The white label means it needs white ink, and the corresponding lip mark WT. The red label means magenta and do the corresponding lips. The ink tube having no labels is particular for varnish and the corresponding lip marked V. As I demonstrate, the ink will start from ink pot and come through the tube, then it will flow to ink sac. And each tube has a label indicating which color they represent. Now we take out blue one to inject ink, and take care that orientation must be up to take bubbles out. And also notice that you can only hold it by sides. Do not hold it by frontage as I show, because it squeezed the ink sac, and let bubble cannot go out. Just hold it at side as I do. Here I insert the syringe to ink sac to extract the ink from ink pot. Pull out handle, and weight ink in. 5 milliliters is enough. Now we remove these waste ink into waste bottle. And we put the ink sac back and do not squeeze it. You will hear a snap. That means it has been inserted into the base. And we need to clean the syringe before the next extraction job. Then remember to extract it one by one and don't do it all at one time. Here I show you the print head below the ink sac. There's two print head, and also remember not to let flat cable connector touch any liquid, or it will burn. Then the waste ink will drop to ink pad. Now we open the power and platform will automatically reset to rightmost. Now the waste ink from print head can drop to ink pad and drive by motor, then converge to the bottle. And there's two bifurcate tube designed to be extracted manually. The white label indicated extract white and varnish ink, and the red label indicated extract the colorful ink. Notice here is valve and they are in close state. Here we open the white valve, so we can extract the waste ink. Now we start extracting the white ink. And notice 10 milliliters extraction ink is enough. Then we pour out the waste ink into waste bottle. Now you could clean the syringe and open the red valve. Then start to extract the colorful waste ink. Also 10 milliliters extraction is okay. Then we pour out the waste ink. Remember to close the valve and check both an end, because the next cleaning process will meet problem if it's not closed. Now we need to insert these two tube into waste bottle and place the bottle in rear position. You can take it out and next time you need manual extraction. Here's cleaning button and we press it to circulate waste ink. Now we need to move print head to middle again to clean the print head. And we descend the platform so we can wipe out waste ink from print head. As you see, the cleaning process will cause some waste ink remain on print head. Remember to recover the platform back to original height after job done, and press the enter to let print head reset back. Now this tutorial is over, and thanks for your watching. In this tutorial I will teach you how to use roller printing function. Now we have connected laptop, and done the cleaning and nozzle check. We need to descend the platform to the lowest position, for giving enough room to later object on it. Now we place the roller on platform. Then we move the platform out. And we need to align the roller margin with the platform. Now we place the cylinder on roller for the later printing. We need to measure the distance from margin to where cylinder placed. It's 9 cm. So we need to set X margin to 90 mm, and click Save. Here we use 2 magnet to fix the roller position, and remember to align its margin with platform. Please make this magnet a cumbency, and height side align with platform. Now we place the other 2 magnet on back side. Here we click Y reset to let platform back to original place. In this tutorial I will show how to print nozzle state diagram, but there's a matter need your attention before main job. That I have shown you setting platiform the right height using infrared laser. But there's a new condition as I show the later. Have you seen it? The paper upwarps. So the peak has changed and made the platform lower. Here I show you again. Here we flatten the paper. Then we fix the paper on platform using tape. Now in this situation it's okay because the laser hasn't shined on any hump. But if you careless touch the laser infrared area, it will cause the platform descending. So just remember elevating the platform again to the right height. Now we move the platform out, and take off this white paper, because the white and varnish ink cannot be shown on white paper intuitively. Now we place the specific translucence film on platform. Based on what I am showing you, we need to fix this film well on the platform. It's to avoid the potential possibility of swelling on film at any time. Now we move the platform in, and elevate the platiform to right height. Just do it as I have shown before. We only need to click check to let it print nozzle state diagram. When it starts the task the platform will automatically move in. It starts printing now. Now it has been printed, and we move it out. And take down the paper to have a look. We can see clearly about the colorful ink. Notice only being carefully can you find the white ink state. And here I show how to judge it. And you could pause the video to learn it. Thanks for your watching and welcome to contact us. Hello. In this tutorial I will teach you how to install reprint software. Now we open A3 Pro folder in disk C. Click software drive and you will see the last target file. Then right click it and extract all. Keep clicking extract. After it's done then double click the installer. Now start to install and keep clicking positive option in prompt. And keep clicking next and later option to proceed it. And you will meet a checkbox again. Check it on and click install. Then click finish. Now you will meet checkbox again. Check on the yes and click next. In the end keep clicking to finish. Now you need to get back software drive, and select the circled TX800 and right click to copy. Then back to desktop and right click the reprint shortcut, and choose open file location. You need to mouse up the roller, and find out named printer file then open it. And open the first file you will see the same TX800 file, then right click and paste. And choose replace file in the destination. Now double click the reprint to open. Now we click the top left words to open canvas setting. We need to change the canvas size unit to millimeter. Then width is 300 and height is 420. Now click OK, and click top left words again, then click bottom printer setting. Select TX800 and click set as default, and you will also see the default words besides. Now exit it and come to top middle, and you will find its demonstrate version. We need to plug in the soft dog to get advanced permission. Now we click spot color to make setting. We need to change the 2 row of data source type to spot. And in density increase we need to drag the both 2 slider to 100%. In haftening type, the first row choose symmetrical mode, and the second choose smooth mode. In last option bleed, the first row write -0.15 and the second 0.15. Then click OK to finish the setting. Here we need to use Photoshop to process the image. 2 TIFF format for reprint further processing. At first we need to open image size. We need to make sure the resolution exceed 300 pixel per inch. When we open a JPG format image, here we click the thumbnail to create presynced, and click channels, then click right side menu to choose new spot channel and set the solidarity to 100%. Then click OK and back to spot channel, and right click then duplicate channel, and name it, then click OK. Now we click file and then the save as, and click desktop to store, and name it and make it sure that the format is TIFF, and save it. Now we change the image compression from LZW to none, and other parameter remain the original and click OK. Now we close the Photoshop and open Reprint software. Keep your soft dog plug-in, or it will make the final PRN exported file defective. Now we click import, and in pop-up we select the previous TIFF file, then click open it. Then click OK in pop-up, and in left bottom area you could change the print size for this image. Now you can click print, and in the first selection we choose 16 pass. Then we ensure the forward output is checked on. Then click print. In pop-up we choose desktop to store, and name it. Then click save it. After the process is done we back to desktop. Now we can see the PRN format file has been created. So this tutorial is over and thanks for your watching. Hello, this is the final print tutorial of A3 Pro. As I previously show, we need to put the paper flatly on platform. And we also need to affix it by adhesive type, to avoid the potential possibility of paper upwarping. Remember to flatten the paper well before affixing it, or the fixation will have no meaning. Now we move the platform in, and elevate it to the right height. As you see, we need to use infrared laser to set platform accurate height. Now double-click the PrintExp software to open. And we click the Open Files, and select the previous PRN file created in last tutorial, and click Open it. Now we could right-click the job list to print. Or we could also directly click Print on top menu. And it starts printing. It will take about 10 minutes. After it's done it will move out automatically. Please take a photo and send to us for checking. Now we take away the paper and start to recover the platform. Before turn off the power we need to make sure the print head has been reset to rightmost. In end we turn off the power, and if you still has question please feel free to contact us. Thanks for your watching.